Okay, I've changed my mind that the top pick for the goal horns of the top 10 greatest goal horns, number 1, Pittsburgh Penguins. Love its goal horn. I give that thumbs up because it sounds like a regular train. Okay, so this video we're showing off the top 10 worst goal horns. To start off with number 10, the St. Louis Blues. Bad goal horn. So let's get down to business. Okay, so the St. Louis Blues. Okay, let's talk about that one. Okay, so it sounds not like a regular goal horn. Okay, so and it doesn't sound like a train, and it's not original. Okay, never mind. This is. So number 9, the Colorado Avalanche. I hate that goal horn because it does not sound comfortable. Okay. Number 8, the Tampa Bay Lightning. Okay. For 25 years. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations to the Tampa Bay Lightning for its 25 year. Okay. Congratulations. Yay. Get the thumbs up for the Tampa Bay Lightning for their 25 centuries. Woo! Okay, so it doesn't sound like original, and it doesn't sound like anything. It just sounds bad. That's all I know. Number 7, Nashville Predators. Congratulations to the Nashville Predators for 20 years. Bravo. Woo! Okay. So the reason I don't like that one, it doesn't sound original. Besides, if it sounded original, it would have been great. I'm going to have this one. Okay. Not revealing our top pick yet. Because, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so number 5, Anaheim Ducks. Okay, so that was quick. Okay, so it sounds like someone like, I don't know. I really don't want to say this. Really, I don't want to say this, so I'll just say it in a different way. It doesn't sound original. That's all I know. And it's not gonna be good because it doesn't sound good. Number 4, Columbus Blue Jackets. Okay, so it doesn't sound original. It doesn't sound like a train. It sounds like a bad goal horn to me. Okay, number 2, Philadelphia Flyers. Usually, there's somebody else that goes with number. Actually, Philadelphia Flyers is the number 2. There's 2 for number 2. Number 2, Boston Bruins. There's another one with number 2, Toronto Maple Leafs. Sounds the same, doesn't sound like original. Before we reveal our top pick, let's go over for some honorable mentions for over the years. Congratulations to the New Jersey Devils for its 35th year. And for the Corona Hurricanes for its 20th year of the century. Congratulations to both of you for its 2035 and 20th year. Okay. So, congratulations to the Dallas Stars for its 25th year. And the National Predators, that we just said right now, for its 20th year. And for the Tampa Bay Lightning for its 25th year. Oh, congratulations to the Montreal Canadiens for its 100th year. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, let's see. So there's nobody else that says here that has been it. Okay. Number 1, the San Jose Sharks. It's the Sharks. Okay, so what's the worst goal horn ever? Okay, we have one more honorable mention to present to the San Jose Sharks with from its goal horn. No, that's the worst number 1 pick. The song is part of the honorable mention. All I like about their goal is the sound. Okay, so the only reason I don't like these, it's because I have not been. It's not about the goal horns. It's not about nothing. It's just about it. I don't like their goal horns. The top 10 from the NHL were the worst ones ever. The top 8, though, from the American Hockey League, we're doing this where we did that one. So I'll see you guys later with our next video of the top 10.